the adoption in the Middle East market for the new regulation? They were also similar when the DPDPA regulations were born. Some of them have born then only, right? Probably 2 years back, 3 years back, but they started their implementations fast. They had the rules also along with it. So how do you think, how are they approaching it and how organizations are taking it seriously there?
So if you look at from the Saudi PDPL standpoint, which I'm talking about predominantly, they are welcoming it, correct? The organizations are participating it, and the SADAIA, which is the regulatory authority, that has mandated the all public invested funds, that has mandated all the government entities, that has made it mandate for all the public entities to comply with the PDPL. It came in 2020-24. And now the journey has been started. The organizations are coming out up. SADAIA is reaching out to all the government entities, PIF entities to check the validation, how it is coming up. And where they are not looking into the kind of implementation phase of it, they are not mature, they are supporting them. They are giving them full support with respect to the comply of the PDPL law. And if there is no, then obviously there is a penalty looked into it. Now, even if you look at from the data privacy standpoint and the PDPL standpoint, they have very good size of a team. They are allocating in the budget. It used to be a kind of a sideline corner discussion, but it has come into full-fledged of a mainstream. It has been discussed with the board of directors. It has been discussed with the public invested funds. They are looking at, they are investing money. They are onboarding the consultants. They are onboarding the privacy automation tools. And the important aspect for you being into Priviscent, more of learning and development part of it, that is what the need of the hour is there, because they are not adopted, they are not a kind of accustomed to this kind of the regulations which is coming into it. Now, so they wanted to understand that how the privacy requirements are there, and you will have a great future there.